Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to AI Geeked. Have you ever wanted to show off your products in a super cool way, like they do in big advertisements? Well, today I've got something amazing for you. Top view. Imagine this. You upload a picture of your product, maybe a coffee mug, a phone case, or a bottle of shampoo, and within seconds, a realistic digital person is holding and showing off your product perfectly. No expensive photo shoots, no hiring models, just quick and easy product showcases that look incredible. This tool is like having your very own photo shoot studio right on your computers. Whether you sell things online, make ads, or just want your products to look awesome, TopView Product Avatar can do it all. Stick with me and I'll show you how it works. The link is available in the video description. So, what is TopView Product Avatar? It's an AI-powered tool that makes your products look amazing by showing them in the hands of digital people, called avatars. These avatars look super realistic, and they can help your product stand out, whether you're sharing it online or using it in an ad. Okay, let's dive in. Here's how simple it is. Choose your avatar. First, you pick your favorite avatar. You'll find all kinds of options. Male, female, and avatars with different styles to match your brand. Replace with your product image. Next, click on the option that says Replace with my product image. Upload your image, and here's the cool part. The AI instantly removes the background for you. No extra effort needed. Adjust the position. Now, you can move your product around to make it look just right in the avatar's hands. Once it's perfect, click the Confirm button. And that's it. In just a few seconds, your product is ready to go. It's like magic. But wait, there's more. If you thought that was awesome, check this out. Regenerate for a new look. You can click the Regenerate button to get a fresh look, or even switch to an image to video avatar.
I'm TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use TopView Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
Video avatars for next level content. Now this is where things get really exciting. The video avatar feature lets you create digital avatars that talk and move. Choose an avatar that looks super realistic. Customize everything, pick the language, voice, and even the background. Input your script.
Welcome to TopView.ai, the ultimate AI-powered...
Welcome to TopView.ai, the ultimate...
Welcome to TopView.ai, the ultimate AI-powered video...
Welcome to TopView.ai.
The AI will take care of the rest, creating a high-quality video of your avatar speaking. You can also tweak the video by adjusting the length, the size, and where the avatar appears. It's perfect for marketing, branding, or even personal projects.
Social media connects people worldwide, allowing them to share ideas, photos, and updates instantly. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter help with communication, entertainment, and learning. It also promotes businesses, but excessive use can cause distractions.
Imagine creating your own ad without hiring actors or video editors. How cool is that? TopView Product Avatar makes it look like a professional ad in just a few clicks. It's that simple. Ready to try it out? Click the link in the description to get started with TopView Product Avatar today. Your products deserve to shine, and this tool makes it so easy to create stunning visuals. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe to AI Geeked, and turn on the bell for more cool tools and tips to make your life easier. See you in the next one.